Hello. So yesterday I picked up a bunch of Micromallows. I got 2 box sets and then 10 of these Micromallow mystery capsules. So today I'm obviously going to be opening them all up. Now, despite this Toy World bag, I did actually get most of this stuff from Big W. So I got all the capsules from Big W, I got this little 4-set from Big W, but then the 6 sets I have only so far seen sold at Toy World. Anyway, we're gonna not look at these sets until later in the video because it's almost been 24 hours since I got these little capsules and I'm just dying to see what's inside. Now, the one thing I'll say before I start opening is these are Micromallows. I don't know what happened because we went from 2021 having Micromallows to 2022, 2023 having Squishville, and now we're back to Micromallows. This is the difference between a Squishville and a Micromallow. You cannot really see a huge difference with these two. You can see the bee is a bit chunkier than this little otter. I'm a bit confused what's going on with these mini Squishmallows. Have they discontinued Squishville? I don't know. So, as far as I know it, there is no way to tell from the outside of the capsule who it's going to be inside. I don't know if the colour of the capsule has any significance. Let me tell you, I wanted purple capsules. I was looking through all the boxes and there were none. There were little purple capsules on the front of the box in the photo, but none in the box. Did another purple Squishmallow come and take them all? Or do we not have purple ones in Australia? It's an important question. If anyone knows, please tell me in the comments. Also, red. Are they here? Because the only ones I saw were the green, the orange, and the blue. And yes, as you've probably noticed, these are hexagons, which is beautiful because you can put them all together and make a little display and they're all like a little house for your little Squishville, Micromallow, whatever they're called these days. Do you want to stop talking so we can see what's inside? No, I have another thing I need to discuss with you is who is in the boxes. There are 24 different Micromallows and there are 4 that I'm desperate for. Number 1, Little Miss Purple Axolotl. Beautiful, stunning. I would like one for my axolotl shelf. I actually do have a Squishville one, but I need one that's slightly bigger. I need every size purple axolotl for the Monica family. Number 2, I'm giving them numbers, but this isn't actually in any order. This cute little seal. She looks so happy and so adorable. I love her so much. I would love to open her. Number 3, that Yeti. Yetis would like a baby. And the other one I really want is Miri the Moth. My Miri the Moth family is one of my favourite little families. Once again, I do have a little Squishville, but just having the Squishmallow in every single possible size is a beautiful thing. They're the big 4 that I want. There's a few other ones that I would quite like. I like that fluffy looking dog. I like that butterfly, the snail, oh my gosh, the jellyfish. There's so many cute ones in there. So let's actually open them. Is there an easy way to open these? We can rip off their tag. Oh, I see. I was wondering why there were little, like, these little studs in the side. It's so that you can build your little Micromallow house. That is cool. Moment of truth, first one. It's a dog. Not too thrilled. Oh my gosh, the tag! Aww. I knew they had tags. I knew they'd be small, but oh my gosh, that is the cutest thing. That's a really cute little dog, actually. He can join the dog family. Oh wait, so each capsule kind of makes 2 houses. That's good. That means all of these ones can live in houses too. Gonna be a full house. Okay. And then I can just sit that there. Mystery capsule number 2. Who will it be? Oh my gosh, it's a Yeti! Look how cute the Yeti family is. I just love the Yetis. Yara is so cute because she has a little winking face and her little cheeks and the little sparkly horns. So adorable. I'm just never going to be over how cute these tags are. Like, look at this! It's too cute. I'm never recovering. Look how well the house is coming together. I've already got 1 out of 4 of my most wanted. Number 3, gonna be... Ooh, is this a capybara or a beaver? No, beavers have teeth. I think it's a capybara. It's named River. Or is she an otter? Let me actually find out for you. Oh, she actually is a beaver. She's about to visit her extended family. Oh, maybe this is her extended family. They're different colors. This one has teeth. This doesn't. I see what you did, Squishmallows. So now she can go back into her little house. Every time I add a new one on, I end up knocking an old one off. Shall I open up an orange one next? Wait, no, because then it's going to destroy that. Okay, I need to open up another blue one so it can balance out. Capsule number 4. I haven't gotten anyone I don't like yet. There were a couple designs on there. I was like, I hope I don't get that one. And number 4 is a pig. This was one of the ones I didn't want. Actually, it's cuter in person. Oh, it's a flying pig. This is actually really cute. I take it back because, one, these wings, but more importantly, it has a curly pigtail. Do all pig Squishmallows have this? I don't know what it has in it, but it has some type of thing that you can stretch it and it bounces back into place and you can curl it. That's really cute. I take it back. I don't mind this one. The other thing that can obviously happen is doubles. I kind of assumed I was going to get 10 different ones. There's no guarantee of that. I managed not to break it. Orange time. I hope it's Miri the Moth. I feel like Miri would come in an orange one. Who is it? Where'd they go? Oh my god. I literally lost it before I even got to see what it was. Are you joking me right now? I thought for a second there that that one had fallen on the floor, but no. There's two of them. There is two of them. That is so rude. I know I said that I liked it now, but I liked it enough to have one, not two. That's very disappointing. Also, I got one in an orange capsule and one in a blue capsule, so I guess they're not, like, glued to their colours. You know what I might do, though, if I can ever get these to join, is add the second one to my never-ending list of plushie makeovers. That's what you get for talking badly about a pig. You get 2 pigs. So, I have opened half of my capsules. There's still 3 I'm really hoping for, and then, like, another 4 that I'd really like as well. I'm gonna have to go buy some more of these. This is capsule number 6. It is- oh! It's a little fluffy dog! I was hoping for this one. This is Finley. He's so fluffy. He's really, really orange. I thought he was more brown, but is an orange little fellow. His tail is so fluffy. His ears are so fluffy. Oh, he's such a little fluffy fellow. Oh my gosh, he looks so cute in his little house there. Micromallow number 7 is an elephant. Not great, not bad. This design's a little boring. The tail is cute, but other than that, like, it doesn't even have a stomach. It doesn't have anything going on. Number... what are we up to? I lost count. 6, 7... oh, this is number 8. We've only got 3 left. So, our last green capsule of the day is... no! How have I gotten 2 doubles? I do like the dog, but why so many doubles? And now my whole house is falling apart. So I've only got 2 capsules left. I still really want Miri and Lucille and Monica. If I get another double, I'm gonna throw it away. Okay, it's a cat. It's like the Siamese cat. That's alright. That's quite cute, actually. I like its blue eyes. Okay, final capsule. I most want Miri. And it is... so I bought 10 capsules and 3 of them were doubles. There's 24 designs. That was some really bad odds. Next thing to do is to open up... I just hit myself in the glasses. Gotta open up the 4-pack first. I love how the packaging has this artwork down here and they're all like on top of each other. It does also have all their artwork on the back. When we open it up, slide them out. Oh, these ones have tags too. They're just hidden behind them. I didn't think they'd have them. So in the pack, we've got Wendy, the Micromallow I bought the set for. She's looking so adorable. And we've got Gianni. I don't know how to say her name. It's got this cute little pink octopus. She's got lots of different coloured legs. A s'more. I love the s'more design. Such an adorable little Squishmallow in micro form. And then the last one in the box is this little lion. And I actually really like this lion because he has like a purple mane, a purple fuzzy tail, and his face is actually really cute. Now, the ones from the box still seem a bit bigger than the ones from the capsules. And I'm not sure if it's just because they've been squashed for so long. Especially this small. Look how much taller that is. Even if you squish this one so it's as tall as possible, it's still not as tall as the ones from the box. The ones from the box still do fit in these capsules, so you can still build your Micromallow house if you have the patience to put all these together. We have one final box to open today. This is the 6 box. I got this from Toy World. I was so surprised. I didn't even know these 6 packs were out. I got this set because it has the purple beetle and the Loch Ness monster. Once again, we have all their little artwork in a tower on the side, artwork on the back, and let's open them up. Out they come. They have their little tags hidden behind them. Oh no, I accidentally cut one of their tags off. I'm sorry, fries. Somehow the tags look even cuter when they're not on the Squishmallows. We got Axel the beetle. I absolutely love how shiny his little middle section is. Big fan of the 3 shades of purple. Then we've got little baby Loch Ness Monster. This one has so many details. Like, it has the little rosy cheeks, the spots, these little ears, the corduroy stomach. Now, it's very confusing, this fabric, because it doesn't feel like corduroy, but there are lines on it. Oh, it's not corduroy. There are literally just lines printed on it. I was tricked. What a sneaky little trickster. And then look at this. Little spikes and then tail. This is 10 out of 10. These two, definitely my favorite Micromallows I've got so far. So I've got this green octopus named Orphe. This is actually my very first green octopus. I think I have octopuses in every color except green. I mean, now I do. Oh my gosh, these octopus look so cute together. And we've got this goat. Not particularly into the goat. Goats just aren't really my thing. It's got horns that, once again, look like corduroy, but it's just normal squish fabric with lines on it. Ears, little beard. I appreciate the detail on this one. The last two I had to show you were the fries and the pizza. The food Micromallows, let me tell you, if I had my own kitchen that, you know, I didn't share with my family, Micromallows would be everywhere. They would be running the kitchen. I'd get every food Micromallow and stick it in my kitchen. It's just so cute. And then we've got the pizza. My first pizza Squishmallow. Looking very cute. Its eyes almost blend in a little bit to like all the pepperoni and stuff, but that makes it even cuter. And with that is all the Micromallows I have to show you today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you again very soon. Bye!